Two people earn almost the same salary. One is building wealth quietly, the other is always broke. Same city, same inflation, same opportunities. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's the mistakes beginners repeat for years without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest beginner mistakes that keep people poor, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Because once you see these, you can never unsee them. Before we go deeper, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss videos that can completely change your financial future. We break down money into simple rules anyone can follow. Now let's begin. Mistake number 1, trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Most beginners fall into the same trap. New phone, expensive clothes, car upgrades, dining out every weekend. Not because they need them, but because they want to look successful. Here's the truth. Most people learn too late. Wealth is silent. Debt is loud. Rich people focus on assets. Poor people focus on appearances. Stop asking, will this impress people? Start asking, will this build my future? And one question can save you thousands every year. Mistake number 2, not tracking where money goes. If you don't control your money controls you. Most beginners check their bank balance, but never check their behavior. Small leaks sink big ships. Subscriptions, you forgot. Impulse purchases. Food delivery, random online shopping. Individually harmless, collectively dangerous. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. Just know 3 numbers. How much you earn, how much you spend, how much you save. Clarity creates control. Mistake number 3, waiting to save whatever is left. Here's a financial rule that almost guarantees failure. I'll save what remains at the end of the month. Nothing remains, because spending expands to fill income. Instead, flip the formula. Save first, spend later, even if it's just 5%. Saving is not about amount, it's about identity. You become the person who pays themselves first, and that identity builds wealth automatically. Mistake number 4, ignoring high-interest debt. High-interest debt is not just a payment, it's a wealth killer. Credit cards charging 20 to 30% interest are silently stealing your future. Before investing, before upgrading your lifestyle, kill toxic debt. Guaranteed returns from debt payoff beat risky investments every time. Freedom grows fastest when payments disappear. Mistake number 5, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise and immediately upgrade your life. Better apartment, better car, more shopping. Your income rises, but your bank account stays the same. Smart beginners do the opposite. Every time income increases, increase savings first, upgrade life later. This is how middle-income earners quietly become wealthy. Mistake number 6, thinking investing is only for the rich. Beginners often say, I'll invest when I make more. Big mistake. Matters more than amount. Someone investing small amounts early often beats someone investing large amounts late. Because of one powerful force: compounding. Money earns money. Then that money earns money. Start small. Start simple. Just start. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 7, trying to time the market. Many beginners think they can outsmart the market, waiting for the perfect dip to buy or the perfect peak to sell. But even professionals fail at this. Real strategy isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Consistent investing beats sporadic guessing. Mistake number 8, chasing hot stocks. Another classic mistake is going all-in on one sure thing you heard about online. This isn't investing, it's gambling. True wealth is built on a solid, diversified foundation, not on chasing hype. Spreading your investments protects you from losing everything if one fails. Mistake number 9, letting emotions drive decisions. Fear and greed are the enemies of a good investor. Panic selling during a downturn or buying into hype at the peak are emotional decisions, not logical ones. Create a solid investment plan and stick to it, automating your investments so you're not tempted to react to market noise. Mistake number 10, no emergency fund. Life is not predictable. Cars break, jobs change, medical bills happen. Without a safety buffer, every emergency becomes debt. Start with a simple target, $1,000 emergency fund. Then build toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Margin creates calm, and calm people make better financial decisions. Mistake number 11. Buying things to feel better. Stress spending is one of the most dangerous beginner habits. Bad day? Order food? Feeling low? Shop online? Bored? Buy something. But purchases don't fix emotions, they just delay them and send you the bill later. Build free reset habits. Walk, exercise, talk to someone, cook. When you stop spending emotionally, wealth accelerates. Mistake number 12. Not increasing income. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income changes the game. Don't chase 10 side hustles. Pick one high-value skill and improve it relentlessly. Higher skills gives higher pay. Higher pay gives higher investing. Higher investing gives faster freedom. Focus beats scattered effort. Mistake number 13. Having no system. People think wealth requires discipline. It doesn't. It requires systems. Automate savings, automate investing, automate bills, remove decisions, because when you're tired, busy, or stressed, you don't rise to goals, you fall to systems. Here's one rule that instantly reduces financial anxiety. Set a minimum bank balance you never go below.